Very good. I'm extremely happy to announce that today on this occasion we are going to inaugurate our club. Club is an association dedicated to a particular interest or activity. School clubs provide a unique opportunity to connect with students. As you engage in club activities, you develop lasting friendships and cultivate different values and knowledge. A good school club can help students to receive insights from their peers, seniors, club advisors, and teachers. Gain fresh perspectives about various ideas and skills. Learn to respect another person's viewpoint. Develop and improve social skills. Collaborate with students from various social backgrounds.
The goal of art is to make the invisible visible. Respect the principal, Reverend Sister Bridget, teachers, and my fellow companions. A very warm good morning to all. I am Aksa of class 9, here before you to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of our Arts and Cultural Club, Srishti. Our club showcases the diverse creative expressions of our students, highlighting our cultural heritage and artistic talents. As we begin this academic year, I request you all to join us on this journey of discovery and inspiration. Now, as a token of love, we would love to hand over the bouquet to our dearest principal Sister Bridget, which was made by our club members. I welcome dear sister on stage. I request Premala teacher to come on stage. കന്നികാരതീരങ്ങൾ കഥകളിയുടെ പദമാടി കർപ്പൂരക്കുളിർ കാറ്റ് കളിവഞ്ചിപ്പാട്ടായി കന്നികാരതീരങ്ങൾ കഥകളിയുടെ പദമാടി കർപ്പൂരക്കുളിർ കാറ്റ് കളിവഞ്ചിപ്പാട്ടായി ശരൽക്കാലമേഘങ്ങൾ കളഹംസപ്പിടയായി ശശിമുഖി നിനക്കെന്റെ സന്ദേശം വരവായി കന്നികാരതീരങ്ങൾ കഥകളിയുടെ പദമാടി കർപ്പൂരക്കുളിർ കാറ്റ് കളിവഞ്ചിപ്പാട്ടായി ആനിലിക്കൊമ്പത്തെ ശാരികപ്പാട്ടിൽ നാം ആത്മാഭിരാമനും സീതയുമായി ആനിലിക്കൊമ്പത്തെ ശാരികപ്പാട്ടിൽ പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈരവില്ലമ്മ മകരകളിയുടെ പദമാടി കർപ്പൂരക്കുളിർ കാറ്റ് കളിവഞ്ചിപ്പാട്ടായി
Education. Aim of our club to provide students a platform where they can share their knowledge on current trends in information technology. The objectives of the club are to provide students a platform where they gain knowledge about the anatomy of the computer, to promote equal opportunities to obtain education and information, to help students in enhancing their presentation and organizational skills.
Now, I invite our dearest principal,
Reverend Sister Bridget to inaugurate our IT club.
Teachers and my dear students and our cherished community members. I, Suhaira Pervin, the representative of Language Club. It's with great enthusiasm and a sense of collectivity aspiration that we gather here today to celebrate the inauguration of our school's Language Club, the Quill and Quill. The club represents not just the love for languages that thrives within our walls, but also the spirit of unity and cultural exchange that languages foster. As we stand on the threshold of this new venture, we are reminded of the powers of the world to connect, to empower, and to transform. The Language Club is not a beacon of commitment to embrace diversity, promoting linguistic skills, and providing a platform to our students for flourishing a global society. We are honored to have with our respected principal, whose passion for education and cultural enrichment resonates with the passion for very goals of our Language Club. She has been a pillar in the community, advocating life for the inclusive learning environments and fostering a love for languages among the youth. Today, as we inaugurate the Language Club, we embark on a journey of discovery, learning, and growth. We look forward to the myriad of activities, workshops, and events that will not only enhance our linguistic abilities, but also enrich our lives with the wealth and culture that each language carries. On behalf of the Language Club members, I am honored to extend a warm welcome to our principal sister, who has graciously accepted our invitation to inaugurate the club. Your presence is definitely a source of encouragement for all of us. At this juncture, I would like to invite the representatives of the Language Club to come forward to the invitation of our principal.
I request Sabu sir, Sindhu teacher, Dani teacher, and Gathering teacher to come on the stage. On behalf of Language, Literature and Language Club, I welcome our sister on this very special day to inaugurate our club.
The father of this family, Ramanujam.
I am also the part of this family, human computer, Shakuntala Devi.
Where is our kids?
They are playing outside.
One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey Algebra, I found you.
I am one of the branch of mathematics. It deals with linear equations and their representations in the vector space. I facilitate the modeling of many natural phenomena and hence in integral of maths, of physics and engineering.
Calculus, found you. statistics.
I am the branch of mathematics that deals with analyzing, interpreting, and organizing of data in a particular manner. Different sectors such as sociology, geology, and psychology use statistics to function.
Geometry.
Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shape, size, and dimensions of a variety of things that we see in our everyday life.
Trigonometry, I found you.
Trigonometry is all about different triangles and its properties. It has application in various fields such as astronomy, architecture, physics, computer graphics, navigation, and so on.
Algebra, calculus, statistics, geometry, trigonometry. There are infinite members in our family. We warmly invite all of you to our family.
Mathematics is a useful way to think about nature and our world. The role of math in our daily life is like a building block involved in our regular activities, that is, engineering, mobile devices, business, etc. Without protein, our body can't exist. Similarly, maths plays the same role in every field of science. For instance, without maths, engineers can't build great buildings and scientists can't develop advanced machines. Now, maths got the title of Queen of Science. Math became now an inevitable part in our everyday life tasks. Maths Club help learners to engage in various activities related to mathematics learning. It will be a medium of developing students' interest in the subject. It gives the students base training in organizing debates, quiz contests, exhibition and maths fairs. On behalf of all, I invite our dearest principal sister, Bridget, to inaugurate our maths club. Any little mathematician to come on stage for solving this puzzle. Nobody is there to solve this puzzle? Then, give a great round of applause for her.
Two into 2, 4, 4 into 8. Right. And three into 2.
No, okay, 3 into 2, 6.
3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12.
So what is the value?
The Social Science Club is a student organization that provides extracurricular activities, opportunities to explore and experience the topics and issues addressed by social science disciplines. Social Science Club aims at making children capable of becoming responsible, productive, and useful of the society. It imparts the values such as social harmony, brotherhood, and humanity. Objectives of Social Science Club: to provide the knowledge of natural and social environment. It makes us know how man can fulfill their needs. It makes us to develop human qualities in students, to know duties towards human society, to develop imagination, erratical thinking, responding power in students. It also enhances unities in diversities. Now, it's time for inauguration. I invite our respective principal sisters to inaugurate our club by giving placard to the representatives and lighten up the lamp. Here, we would express the idea of secularism and unity among us. Apart from all diversities, we are one.
You call us to unite, day and night, Hindus and Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs, Parsis, Muslims and Christians meet. From east and west your throne above, we move to weave a garland of love. You who bond the hearts of so many, you the guardian of India's destiny. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Victory forever to you. Hindu, Baudd, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, Mussalman, Christian. Tava Simhasan Pashe, Nimhar Hoy
Who is this, Mother? No idea. Chachaji.
No. Anyone from second grade?
Edu.
Mammootty.
How about someone from the 5th grade?
Third standard. There. Fourth standard.
Fourth.
Come fast.
Fourth, fifth, fourth, fifth,
Please come.
fourth as well as fifth. Come, Julia.
Take one picture. Who is this? Show that. Already. Friends of builders. Who's that? Any idea? Someone else? Any other from 6th standard? You know? Come. Who am I? The missile man of India. Very good.